Hey you guys, today is Saturday, January 31st, and I just wanted to come on here and tell you about my dream. Um, this dream that I had, it was a few months ago, but I had another dream that kind of brought me back to that dream, and so I'll share that with you. I'm probably gonna have two videos because my internet I keep losing connection, but that's okay. So anyway, I'll just get started. So in my dream, I was in my house. It's not really my house, but in my dream, it was my house. And this couple came to the door and knocked on the door, and they needed a place to stay. The woman had a baby and she was pregnant. So I offered them to stay with me. I said they could stay with me. And later, I walked into the bedroom that night, and I noticed that the mom and the dad were laying on the bed, and their child, this baby, that was maybe just like a month, 2 months old, was laying on the ground and couldn't even, laying face down on the ground, on the dirty floor. And I remember I looked at them and I said, "Do you want me to pick him up and put him in the middle of you guys?" And they're like, "No, he's fine down there." And I'm like, "No, no, 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 I can't." So I picked him up and I took care of him. I took care of him, and so I changed him, and as I go to feed him, I grab for his bottle, and his milk is all curdled. And I was like, ew, ew. Let me get another one. And that bottle, the milk was curdled, and it dawned on me that, wow, this child is not taken care of properly. They're not feeding him properly. Like he's a baby. He needs to be fed. He needs to be nourished in the right way. And I felt God was speaking that to me about how people are with their spirituality. Our spirituality is like a baby, and we need to feed our spiritual soul food. Well, what's the proper food? The Word of God, the Bible. The Bible is our food. Just like milk is food for an infant, And that's what God spoke to me, that people are not spiritually feeding their bodies the right way. And this baby is is neglected. And I was like, wow, like not a lot of people are not feeding themselves properly, is what I got out of my dream. And then I had a dream. But I only had a dream. No, I had a dream a couple nights ago. Alright, I'm going to stop this here, and I'm going to redo another one because I keep getting kicked off. So, no! If you want, you can follow me, and I'll tell you about my dream I had a couple nights ago. So,